Hi everyone, this is Brad. In this screen recording, actually Screencast-O-Matic's recently released iOS app, and it is pretty awesome. So in this one, what I did is I just selected Epic and went in and showed students, parents, teachers how you could just go in, select a guest, and then once you're in, you can go ahead, select your book, and then once you select your book, like to fill out your flyers, go Flyers. You could favorite it, and the way to favorite is in the upper left, select the heart. If you want to make it dimmer, you could go in to select the moon and then the sun to make it brighter again. And then in the upper left, you can select the 3 dots for those options. Now, the one I really wanted to show you was Google Expeditions. So if we select Expeditions down there, you can go ahead in. And the issue with Expeditions in the past is when it launched, the audio would cut out when you're doing a screen recording, which is frustrating. But if we go in, select Got It, and you go in, and in this case, we selected the fish, and we zoomed in a little bit. If you just hold your finger down on that fish, don't know if you know this, you could actually zoom in, and you could adjust the spotlight size for your student. So it's pretty awesome. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.